Hello and welcome to FabBam NY. If you're new to this channel, thank you for coming and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. And to all our subscribers that's always there, thank you guys for coming back and thank you guys for joining me. This butterfly mosaic is gonna be filled with balloons today. So if you want to find out how I fill this with balloon, please stick around and I'll show you how. So for the materials that we use today, we'll put it in the description down below. Please check that out. So with that said, we will be inflating our balloon. This is 5 inches yellow balloon. So use your palm right here. So by the way, there's no particular size on how you inflate your balloon to which size because we will fit it in the holes here. Okay, so depending on the gap. Okay, so this one here, you inflate this and make this a little smaller. So we will try to fit it in here, just like that. So I tie it like this. Once I tie this, you wanna cut the tip. Like that. Alright, so first thing we're gonna do is the center section in the middle right here. So I will use 260Q balloon and put it right on the bottom part. So we will stretch this first and then we'll inflate just a little so you can put this right on the bottom. Put this right on the bottom. Same thing on that side. Maybe I'll put 2 of those. Alright, so now we'll put this here. So make sure you cut the tip. Just like that, guys. To stick them on the 260Q, we'll be using our balloon glue dots. Go. It's nice and secure. Alright, so we're done with the yellow. So now we're gonna start on this part right here. We will fill this out with blue balloons. So the same thing, no particular size of balloon. You just have to fit it to the gap that's already in there. So you can either use your low temperature glue gun and stick it in there just like that. Stick it in there, or if you choose not to because it's already tight enough, it's optional. Actually, it's optional, just like that. So it's tight enough, so I'm not gonna use any glue gun. Just like that. Just fill in the gap. So this is just a background, so if you got one on top, it's, you know, it's not white on the background, it's still blue. So for this, I will use low temperature glue gun or balloon glue dots. Doesn't matter which one you like to use. So we'll continue on right here. All right, so we'll continue on this side. Alright, so now we are ready to put the green, so we'll just put this here for now, like that, and then we'll use glue. Now at the same time we will use our glue gun. Now we're gonna fill in the gap right here. Same thing, you wanna put some on the bottom. Now we'll add some more of this. We'll scatter them all over the place. So now, as you can see, we're almost done. So on the very head right here, we'll use this hot pink, and we'll put it right on here. Put it here to fit. That should be good. And then this, we'll put it here. So as I said, there's no particular size as long as it fits perfectly on the space here. Just like that. And then again, I'm going to use glue. Alright guys, so now for the For the antenna right here, I will use 260Q. Cut it off like that. And another one on this side. So I made two this with this here. Alright, so last but not the least is the pink balloons that we'll put on to cover the holes or the gap. And there you go, guys. This is finally done. This is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you guys in the next video. Take care and have a wonderful day. Bye.